Today I'm going to show you how to make a jump boost like this one. Let me just show you quickly. When you run into the jump boost, you jump up to the part where you want it to jump. You can actually set it up what number you want it to do and all that. So let's get started. First, create a script. I created in the script folder called the jump boost script. So it's literally nothing because I haven't started coding. I'm just gonna show you guys when I'm coding it. So yeah, let's get started. Click on it. Opening Visual Studio. It is opening Visual Studio. Now delete everything here and then type in 2 brackets, I think, range. Type in the range you want. I want it to be from 100 to an amount. So I think I want it to be 10,000. And then start up public float. Public float. Name it. I'm just gonna name it bounce height. And then enter and then type in void on collision. On collision, enter, and then type game object bouncer equal collision dot game object, and then put that at the ending, and then enter to use with the rigid body. So to do this, your character controller must have a rigid body character controller instead of your character must have a rigid body instead of a character controller. Yeah, because this need to use the rigid body to bounce. Bouncer, which is the variable that we're using, and then dot get component. This will give it access to a component in your computer. In your character, and the component you wanted to give access to is the rigid body. And then enter, and this one you want to put RB, so it will add a force that will push you up. So you need to dot add. Wow, what did I just put? I said RB, right? Yeah, sorry, that was a bit. RB dot add force vector, put 2 open parentheses and put vector 3 dot up times bounce height, the variable that we make, bounce height, and then put a brackets at the back. So yeah, this is the code we'll be using. Nice and clean. Now save the code, and we're gonna go back to Unity. We got the jump boost. Well, this is one of the code that I used to use, but now let's try to remove that code away and add this jump boost code that we just wrote, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Also, I think you should have a rigid body with everything freeze and doesn't use a gravity. Everything should be freezed. Now we got this. Let's drag in the jump boost and move it up to around 3,000, around this much, I think. Could be good. So I'm testing out it now. It actually bounced you, okay? It worked. It worked. It bounced you off the ground. Like that. So yeah. And also smash the subscribe button if you don't want to miss out the announcement of the release of this game. I will be also releasing this game. And when the game actually is done, I will also give a link